Hey everyone, in this tutorial video, I'll demonstrate how to obtain your TikTok stream key. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive in. Firstly, open any web browser and navigate to download TikTok Studio. Once you're there, log into your TikTok account. Keep in mind that to gain access to the live streaming feature, you need to meet the 180-day access requirements. This means you'll have access for 180 days after the trial period, provided you fulfill the necessary criteria. You can find all the instructions on the website. Once you've fulfilled the access requirements, you'll get a 7-day trial access period. Again, make sure you meet the specified requirements outlined on the site. Now, let's talk about the 18-day access requirements. Simply meet these requirements to enable live streaming on TikTok. Once you've completed all the necessary steps and meet the requirements, you'll be able to access your stream key. Simply copy the server URL and the stream key provided. If you're unsure how to use this information, don't worry. There are instructions provided to guide you through the process. Next, open OBS Studio on your device. Ensure you have downloaded and installed OBS Studio beforehand. Once opened, navigate to the Start Streaming option. From there, click on Open Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Stream tab. Set the service to Custom and paste the server URL into the designated field. Similarly, paste the stream key into its respective field. Click Apply and then OK to save your settings. And that's it. You're now ready to start streaming on TikTok using OBS Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel for more content. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next tutorials.